Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial let us learn how to write the filter formula very quickly. The cursor on the dataset, press the shortcut Ctrl T. I'll remove all the formattings from the table design tab. So we can rename a table as sales. Now let us start writing a formula. We start with an equal to. Array is not the category, region and sales that we want to get it here. So I'll just select the category, region and sales here. So include what you want to filter. Say product equal to product. If I'm not finding that particular product, what can I give as an output? I can just say not found. The formula will give you always an output as a dynamic array. The C filter formula with multiple conditions. We need to include two conditions here. We have to start with a bracket. The first criteria is product, so I'll select the laptop here in the product column. Put an asterisk mark. We are adding one more condition. The sales should be greater than 5,000. See. When we want to exclude something, let us start writing the formula. Include the product column, category column, region column and the sales column. Select this laptop, put a greater than and less than symbol, less than and greater than symbol in this form. Yeah, thank you guys. Bye.